Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another unboxing video. Can you see what this is? And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Sega Astro City Mini Arcade Cabinet. Let's do the unboxing here, but first let's check out the outside of this baby. Here's the front. Go Sega. So this is part of the 60th anniversary of Sega. They released this little cabinet, which is a design based off a popular design of the arcade cabinets in Japan, Astro City cabinets. We got here 37 titles. There's 37 games on this baby. Let's check out the side here. Alright, so they're showing a few of the games here. We got Virtual Fighter. Is that Daytona maybe? And some other game, I do not know. We got the other side here. Some more games. Space Harrier. Maybe the Golden Axe game. And then Fantasy Zone, I believe that's called. So here's some specs here. The LCD screen size, 3.97 inches, 480 by 800. See the color, 720p, 4820p. So yeah, you can play it like this standalone portable unit, or you can hook it up to a TV, and you can use like a real controller and play as well using a HDMI cable. So the back here, we got some highlights of some games, which is pretty cool. And then all the titles here, they're all in Japanese, but all 37 titles. This is what's included in the box. The system, USB cable, HDMI cable, and something else I cannot read. So this thing, I believe, uses USB for power. Nothing on the bottom here. All right, let's open this baby up. So yeah, it's not like taped or anything. You can easily open it here on the top. Astro City. Okay, this is cool. Go Sega, dedicated to all Sega fans around the world and to the creators who made history. So this is dedicated to all Sega fans around the world, but it is only available in Japan. Open up here. Got a little Switch Joy-Con controller color scheme going on here. Instruction manual perhaps, or just some paperwork. We'll set that aside. Alright, let's see what we got here on top. Some kind of, okay, this is cables. So you got your USB, or your HDMI, and your USB. It's kind of jammed in there. HDMI cable, USB cable for power. I believe this is a USB-C, right? Cables. Alright, I guess it's time to pull the system up out of here. Ooh, I'm excited. So it's in some kind of like more expensive bag than I'm used to. Plastic bag. Let's reveal this baby. Just pull it on off here, I think. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, in all its glory. Check this baby out. Got a little nice size screen there. You got your buttons. Joystick, it's got the, listen to that. You hear that? That's awesome. That's like just how they were in the arcade. 6 buttons, maybe a start and select button here. Astro City on the top. Got your speaker. It's got a nice little weight to it as well. Astro City. Yeah, this is a nice little replica. Here on the back we got on and off button, HDMI for hooking up to the TV. You got 1P, 2P, you hook up controllers to these and play. 2 players with the regular controllers that they sell separately. Headphone jack and a power, the DC and power. What is this? Does this thing take Duracell D batteries as well? I don't think that opens. I guess these are maybe on the actual back of the machines. I haven't seen a whole lot of back of these machines. So they're just keeping to the detail there. That's cool. All right, this thing is looking pretty sweet. Got a screen protector. Let's take off the screen protector. We won't be needing that any. Oh no, I just ruined the easy way to get the screen protector off. All right, well maybe the screen protector is gonna stay on there then until. All right, there we go. We are looking good now. We're back in business here, ladies and gentlemen. So let's power this thing on. I'm guessing there's some juice in here. Let's power this baby on and see. Check out a couple of what these games look like here. Power on. No juice. Alright, no juice. So, let's plug it up. Wait, maybe there's no. I don't think there's actually a battery in here, is there? It probably always needs to be plugged up. Alright, let's plug it up. Okay, so for the USB connection, there's no actual adapter to stick the USB part into so that you can then plug it into a power outlet. So you probably have one laying around somewhere, but just in case, just gonna let you know you need to get one. All right, let's plug this baby in here. So this is the power slot, right? Okay, it's upside down. All right, now let's try this again. Oh. Hold on, shutting down. It was already powered on when I plugged it up. Bam, here we go. Sega, too bad you don't get a Sega. Okay, so we got menus here. Sweet, at least there's the English menu, even though this is a Japanese only system right now. Let's do English. What button says yes? It's that one. Ooh. There we go. You got a couple of jams. I don't think there's a volume button on here. It's not. It's decent volume, I guess. Man. Taunt R, Virtual Fighter, Columns, Ichiran, Puyo Puyo, Dotori-kun, Flicky, Sega Ninja, My Hero, Space Harrier, Fantasy Zone, Wonder Boy, Quartet 2, Alice Kid, and The Lost Stars, Alien Syndrome, Wonder Boy, Monsterland, Shinobi, Sonic Boom, that's not a Sonic game, Alter Beast, Scrambled Spirits, Wonder Boy 3, Monsters Lair, Gang Ground, Crackdown, Golden Axe, Cyber Police, SWAT, Shadow Dancer, Alien Star, and Columns, Bonanza Bros. Columns 2, Thunder Force AC, Rad Mobile, Cotton, Arabian Night, Golden Axe, Revenge of Death Adder, Puyo Puyo, Dark Edge. I think we're going in circles now. So let's try something here. Virtual Fighter? Try a fighting game. I think there's only one fighting game on here. There should be more for an arcade unit, you would think. There might be 2. Where's Virtual Fighter? Virtual Fighter, where are you? There we go. They got little symbols next to it too, little fists for a fighting game. Okay, so Dark Edge is a fighting game. Oh, that's cool. A little puzzle piece for puzzle games, action, and so on and so forth. So we hit the... Okay, they got save states, which is cool. You don't find that in the original arcade versions, obviously. Save states. That does save states button here. This goes to options. Well, I guess we're gonna check out the options real quick. Language settings, brightness. Okay, so this is not even the brightest. It goes up 2 more. I guess we'll just take it to the top since we're plugged up anyway. Volume. Oh, it's not the top volume either. Well, we'll take that up to the top too. Screen settings. Default analog display. I don't know what that is. Check that out. Wallpaper. You can do wallpaper on this baby. Looks like just 3 of them. Factory settings. All right, let's try. No, wrong button. Oh, okay, new game. Put some coins in. How do I get some credits here? There we go, credits. We'll go with a cure. How many buttons does this game use? Boo, you Jackie! Let's do cotton. I think that's a shooter, right? That's kind of rare too. It's expensive on like on the console, Sega Genesis and stuff. Let's go. Yep, this is the one. It's apparently a pretty decent game. People like this game. I've never played it until now. Okay, this is pretty cool. I'm digging this. I like this little home arcade thing. So this is like the first one for me. They have a lot of mini arcades. Some that are like mini, but like almost full size. This is my first time getting anything. There's a Neo Geo one that was kind of so-so apparently. This is my first time getting any kind of arcade unit thing. The buttons feel really good. This is very important. All right, I mean, there you have it. The Astro Arcade. Back to menu. So far, pretty good quality. Nice little screen. It's got a nice brightness to it. The buttons feel good. They feel legit, like the original arcade. I mean, I'm happy so far. I'm gonna have to get into a little bit more into these games after this video. Thank you guys for watching though. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. Check out all the other videos on the channel. We got some game stuff on there. We got a lot of travel stuff here. My life here in Japan. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.